How to target US audience on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to learn how we can target the US audience in our Instagram profile. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to do that, first of all, open up your Instagram. So in order to change our region to USA, if you are not on USA and you want the audience of USA on your Instagram account, what you can do is just download a VPN. For that, you may just go to Play Store and search for any of the VPN that is suitable for you and change the VPN region into USA. After that, connect the USA VPN and get back to Instagram. After getting back to Instagram, when you post on Instagram is going to think that you're using Instagram from USA and choose your audience accordingly. After that, the next method is you may just use English language in order to create your post and everything on your Instagram. And the next main important thing is whenever you are creating a post on Instagram, just make sure to use the hashtag USA use hash related to USA, like hashtag USA, hashtag New York, and create your post accordingly, which will attract and help you to promote your account to US audience, and they will most likely follow you. So therefore, by following that method, you can target the US audience into your Instagram. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.